Hello friends, today we are going to discuss some concepts of pyrrole compound like introduction of pyrrole, structure of pyrrole, aromaticity, physical property, chemical properties. Okay. Now here first we will discuss the structure of pyrrole. Pyrrole a heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Okay. This is structure of pyrrole. Okay. And it is a ball and stick model of pyrrole. The blue balls, it is a nitrogen atom, and 4 gray balls, it is a 4 carbon atoms. Okay, and the molecular formula of pyrrole compound is C4H5N. Here the introduction of pyrrole. Pyrrole is a 5-member aromatic heterocyclic ring. Okay. The hetero atom, it is a nitrogen. Okay. Example of 6 pi electron aromatic compound bearing one hetero atom. In this compound 6 pi electrons and one hetero atom is a nitrogen. Pyrrole, it is a colorless volatile liquid that darkens readily upon exposure to air. Okay. It is a sparingly soluble in water but readily soluble in alcohol and ether. It gives red color on a pine splint moistened with HCl. Here the aromaticity of pyrrole. The aromaticity, pyrrole have 4 carbon and 1 nitrogen and all are sp2 hybridized. Okay, here the 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons and 1 nitrogen. Okay, and all are sp2 hybridized. Okay, and sp2 hybridized gives the planar structure. Okay, therefore pyrrole, it is a planar in structure, and each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all are unhybridized p orbital and they are perpendicular to the sigma bonds. Okay, and here p orbital are parallel to each other, so overlapping between orbital is possible. Here the all p orbital are parallel to each other, therefore the overlapping between p orbital is possible. Okay, and the total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 4 for carbon atoms and 2 from nitrogen atom. Okay, here 6 non-bonding electrons, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and nitrogen carry 2. Okay, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and which obey the Huckel's rule. Therefore pyrrole, it is aromatic in nature. Okay. Next, the tautomerism. Here the rapid migration of hydrogen from nitrogen to the carbon. Okay, here 1 hydrogen pyrrole, here 1, 2, 3 hydrogen pyrrole and here 2 hydrogen pyrrole or 5 hydrogen pyrrole. Okay. Next, the hydrogen bonding. Here the intramolecular hydrogen bonding between 2 pyrrole rings, nitrogen and here hydrogen. Okay, and here the intramolecular hydrogen bonding between NH and this pi bond. Okay, Next, the pyrrole derivative. Pyrrole and its hydrogenated compound pyrrolidine are found to be fundamental nucleus of various important natural products. For example, pyrrole nucleus is present in chlorophyll, hemine, bilirubin, thylacines and vitamin B12. Okay, and all of these above natural pigments have porphyrin rings whose units compose of a pyrrole nucleus. Okay, here the pyrrole on reduction and here the formation of pyrrolidine. Okay, the structure of pyrrolidine. Next, the basicity of pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine has a property of a secondary aliphatic amines. For example, it has a normal basicity of an aliphatic amines. Pyrrolidine have a secondary here 1 R group here 2 secondary aliphatic amines, but actually pyrrolidine is 100 billion more basic than pyrrole, because in the pyrrolidine the extra pair of electrons are present for the protonation. Okay, and pyrrolidine is used as a secondary amine for formation of enamines. Here the physical properties of pyrrole. Pyrrole readily reacts with air and is usually purified by distillation method. Okay, and it has a dipole in which positive end lies towards nitrogen with a dipole moment of 1.58 dBi. Pyrrole, it is a weakly basic with a conjugate acid. Our pK value is minus 3.8, and pyrrole, it is also weakly acidic at the NH position with the pK value is 17.5. Here the chemical properties. First is a basic character. Here the canonical structure of pyrrole molecule. Pyrrole, it is a weak base because the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom is not readily available for protonation, and hence pyrrole behave as a weak base. Okay, but pyrrole much weaker base than pyridine because the lone pair of electrons is involved in forming aromatic sextet. The proton is added on the nitrogen atom by reaction with an acid, a species from a beryllium cation, but the beryllium cation is very unstable. Why beryllium cation is very unstable? Because in the beryllium cation no stabilization factor are present such as resonance. Okay, here not present the lone pair or electrons, therefore it is a very unstable. Okay, here the pyrrole reacts with acid and here the formation of beryllium cation. Next is the acidic character of pyrrole. Pyrrole is a weakly acidic compound due to presence of imino hydrogen atom. Okay, the acidic character are divided into two factors. First one is a greater S character of the nitrogen hydrogen bond in the pyrrole. Okay, the bonding electrons on the bonds are held more strongly to the pyrrole nitrogen, and hence hydrogen is eliminated as the proton and the formation of pyrrole anion, and this pyrrole anion is stabilized due to the resonance. Okay, here the structure of pyrrole. First, the loss of this proton, this bond shifted here, and loss of proton, and here the formation of pyrrole anion, and this pyrrole anion is a very stable because it gives the resonating structure of pyrrole anion. Okay. Here the pyrrole is not a strong acid, although it is a many powers of 10 stronger than the ammonia as an acid. In fact, under vigorous condition, pyrrole forms a salt with potassium hydroxide and Grignard's reagent. Here the pyrrole reacts with potassium hydroxide and the formation of pyrrole potassium, okay, plus H2O, and here the pyrrole reacts with Grignard's reagent and the formation of pyrrole magnesium bromide plus KH. Okay. Here the synthesis of pyrrole. First, pyrrole are synthesized from furans. It is the industrial process. First, furan reacts with ammonia in presence of alumina as a catalyst as the high temperature or in presence of thermal condition and the formation of structure of pyrrole. Okay, and next is the furan reacts with primary amine in presence of alumina as a catalyst in presence of thermal condition, and here the formation of N substituted pyrrole plus H2O. Here the resonating structure of pyrrole. First, the lone pair of nitrogen attack on here and this bond shifted here. Okay, and here formation of double bond and here negative charge. This negative charge attack on here and this bond shifted here. Okay, here formation of negative charge and here double bond. This negative charge attack on here and this bond shifted here. Here formation of negative charge and here double bond. Okay, this negative charge attack on here and this bond shifted here. Here formation of negative charge or electrons and here double bond. Okay, and this negative charge attack on here and this bond shifted on nitrogen atom or attack on nitrogen atom and stabilize the positive charge. Here the electrophilic substitution, the structure of pyrrole, the numbering is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, first electrophile attacks on C2 position means here, and the formation of 3 resonating structure, and next the electrophiles are attack on C3 position means here, and the formation of 2 resonating structure. The C2 attacks give more resonating structure than C3. Therefore, pyrrole undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at the second position, okay, or alpha position. Here the energy diagram of electrophilic substitution reaction. Here the electrophile attacks on C2 position and here C3 position. Okay, this is the energy level diagram of C2 position, electrophile attack on C2 position, and here electrophile attack on C3 position. The energy diagram shows C2 attack from more stable intermediate than the C3, hence the C2 prefer over than the C3. Okay. Here the mono substituted pyrrole, the structure of pyrrole and the second number position or C2 position, the attack of electron withdrawing group. Therefore electrophile is attack on C4 position. Okay, the C2 carbon, the C2 position, the electron withdrawing group are present. Therefore electrophile is attack on C4 position. Okay, C4 position or meta position. Here ortho, meta and para. Okay, here the second number position, the electron donating group are present. Therefore electrophile is attack on C3 position and C5 position. Okay, C3 and C5 position or ortho and para position. Okay, here the N substituted pyrrole, therefore here present on electron withdrawing group. Therefore electrophile is attack on C3 position. Okay, electrophile is attack on C3 position is more favorable.